In this video, I want to give you some tips for finding good affiliate niches. And there really are three main sites that you want to look at to find these good affiliate niches. And the first one is ClickBank. And ClickBank is probably the granddaddy of all online affiliate marketing sites. When you're looking at ClickBank, and I'll show you their site in a moment, one thing you want to check is the gravity. The gravity is a measure that shows how popular an item is, and that includes how many affiliate sales have been made. And that will tell you whether or not this affiliate product is selling well. And if the gravity is high in a particular category for a lot of the top selling products, then that will give you an idea as to whether or not that is a niche that's worth marketing to. When you do decide on an affiliate product to market via ClickBank, make sure that the vendor offers you sufficient tools for you to promote it easily. To find out more about ClickBank, come here to clickbank.com and click on the Marketplace tab, and it'll take you to this page. And then you can browse the categories down there on the left, or you can use a search to find products. Alternatively, you can come here to CB Engine, which will help you to find ClickBank products. They do recommend products, and they do help you to sift through products much more easily. The next site I want to tell you about is JVZoo. Now, JVZoo is a bit like ClickBank, but it offers instant payments via PayPal. And you can find out more about JVZoo at jvzoo.com. And the final site I want to tell you about is Warrior Plus. And Warrior Plus is aimed mainly at the internet marketing niche. And they're linked to WSOs, that's Warrior Special Offers, on the Warrior Forum. And you can find out more about Warrior Plus at warriorplus.com. And these three sites are the best ones to check out, not just to find an affiliate niche, but also to find affiliate products to sell to that niche.